In this video, we are going to discuss about all antibiotic syrups. Ampiclox. Its chemical name is ampicillin. It's available in 125 mg and 5 ml. Uses: side effects: amoxil. Its chemical name is amoxicillin. It's available in 125 mg and 5 ml. Uses: side effects: Velocef. Its chemical name is cephradine. It's available in 125 mg and 5 ml. Uses: side effects: Ciclor. Its chemical name is cefalor. It's available in 500 mg and 5 ml. Uses: side effects: Novidate. Its chemical name is ciprofloxacin. It's available in 150 mg and 5 ml. Uses: side effects: levofloxacin. It's available in 150 mg and 5 ml. Uses: side effects: Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Subscribe our channel.